Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is a makeup tutorial that is like cotton candy inspired, and it is using the Beauty Creations and Annette 69 palette. I got this in my last Yes Oh Yes unbagging. This is what the palette looks like. On Instagram, I had asked you guys what you wanted to see me use from this palette because I didn't really know what to use. So Alien Girl, Ruiz, and Boss were requested. I also used some other shades as well, just because why not? I felt like it. So if you guys want to see how I got this like cotton candy inspired look using this palette, then keep watching. The first shade I am going into is Alien Girl, which is a very hot pink shade. And these shades work best if you pat them onto the eye first or wherever you want, and then blend them out in windshield wiper motions. I think this might be like a pressed pigment palette. I could be totally wrong, but that's honestly just what worked best for me, and that's how I got the most pigment out of these shadows. So next I'm going into Ruiz, which is a really pretty purple shade, and I'm just again patting this into the crease and on the outer V, and then blending it into that hot pink Alien Girl shade. And these two blended so nicely together. I really like how they just blended together, and just the color that they made is just really pretty. And it's, I don't know, it's like almost like that wearable purple, but not really. It's kind of like a hot purple, but I like it. So I just blended it out, and then I really cleaned up that outer V area there. Next I'm going into the shade 9, which is a really pretty like baby pink color, and I'm just patting it onto my eyelid at first. I kind of wish I just went in with my finger, but I used the brush because I wanted to give it like almost like a cut crease effect without doing a cut crease, if that makes any sense. So that's why I'm just patting it onto the lid like I'm doing. And I do go in with my finger a little later on. So next I'm going back in to the shade Ruiz, and I'm just really focusing this on the outer V so that and 9 can just blend together. So now I'm going back in with a 9, and I'm using my finger, and it looks so much better now, I feel like. Next I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to be popping this onto my eyelid because you guys know I had to use that glitter that's in this palette. I just had to. I don't know if it's eye safe, but I'm going in with the glitter 420. It's just a really pretty like iridescent kind of thing, and I'm just patting this all over the lid very lightly. I didn't go in like heavy-handed or anything, just super light. It does get everywhere, this glitter, warning. Next I'm going in with that blue shade Boss, and I'm just running this along the lower lash line very lightly. You guys know I am not the biggest fan of blues, but I'm just running that along there, and then I kind of take it like up into the outer V of my lashes. I don't know why I did this, but I love how it looked. Next I'm going in with this Kevyn Aucoin white eyeliner, and I am just putting this in the waterline just to really make the eyes open up and pop a little bit. I think the white eyeliner really pulled everything together, so I'm just gonna go do the rest of my face off camera. I'm back. And then for lips, I'm using this Makeup Revolution lip topper. I can't remember which shade this one's in, but it will be linked down below. I love these lip toppers. They're pretty similar to the Fenty Gloss Bombs. They're amazing and super affordable. And this is the completed look. And that is it for this cotton candy inspired tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions or just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I always love getting your comments. Make sure you're following me on all my social media and leaving comments, because that's a way you can get a shout out in my videos. I always have a tweet on Twitter that says like retweet for a shout out, or on Instagram Instagram if I ask a question in my captions or on my stories. That's a way you can get a shout out as well. So this week's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!